High cholesterol. Learn about the best at-home treatments to control it. Cholesterol is a substance very similar to fat and is necessary for the formation of hormones, acids, amino acids, and making it a vital element for life. However, if we keep in mind its function, if we have high levels of cholesterol, it can be very dangerous for our health. This is because high cholesterol results in a systematic change in the elements in our bodies that can poison our blood. So, high cholesterol can result in cardiovascular problems. Because of these things, we have to be very careful with our cholesterol. In addition to advice from specialists, those who have to pay extra attention to their cholesterol, there are many treatments you can do from home to control it. As we continue, we will tell you which are the best home remedies to try and control high cholesterol. Syrup from aloe vera. Among its components, aloe is the one that stands out. It is ideal for fighting high cholesterol, and it is also a great antioxidant. There are many ways you can consume it, but the best way for you to reach your goal of controlling your cholesterol is with this simple aloe vera syrup. Once it is made, you will have to take 1 tablespoon of it before each meal. Ingredients: 3/4 cup of aloe vera pulp, 150 grams. Half cup honey, 167 grams. 1 teaspoon of rum, whiskey or brandy, 5 milliliters. If you cannot drink alcohol, you can make it without it. How to make it? Blend all of the ingredients together until it is well mixed and there are no lumps. Pour into a glass container. Cap it so that no light can get in and keep in the fridge. Barley juice for high cholesterol. Barley is known for being a great source of fiber. Because of this, it is one of the best foods for fighting high cholesterol since it helps our bodies get rid of harmful substances. Also, it contains omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6, which are perfect for those trying to control their cholesterol. They also help with blood circulation, which makes them a great option when it comes to trying to prevent cardiovascular incidents. To get the most from its many benefits, drink 1 cup every morning. Ingredients: 1 cup of pearl barley, 150 grams. 5 cups of water, 2 liters. 1 lemon peel. 1 cinnamon stick. 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. Preparation: wash the barley grains with cold water. Add the barley to a pot with 5 cups of water and heat slowly. When the grains are tough, add the lemon peel and cinnamon stick. Let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, strain the juice, sweeten with a tablespoon of honey and put in the refrigerator. Other foods that help lower cholesterol: Even though these home remedies are great, the ingredients in your foods also play a huge role. Therefore, it's important that you are careful when choosing the types of foods and ingredients that you use every day. Knowing this, we want to tell you which are the most effective. Whole grain cereals. It's true that if we are talking about calories, whole wheat pasta contains the same amount as regular pasta. But, like we always say, calories are not the only indicator of the goodness or harmfulness of foods. Whole grain cereals have a lot more fiber and its carbohydrates are absorbed slowly. This lets us acquire more of its benefits and helps rid our bodies of harmful substances. Vegetables. They have the same benefits that whole grain cereals have. The best options are beans, peas, and soy. Ideally, you want to eat soy in bean form. It's possible that you will face difficulties finding them in your local supermarket, but they are usually available at herb shops and other stores that specialize in nutrition. If you live in a place with a small population that does not have these kinds of places, you can also find them online. Berries. All berries, like blueberries, cherries and raspberries, are rich in anthocyanins. They have a compound in them that helps lower cholesterol, and they also provide vitamins and minerals that help to strengthen our bodies and allow us to metabolize our foods better. Keeping in mind that fruits are ideal for avoiding the consumption of sugar and for avoiding the problems associated with it, we recommend that you utilize them to lower your cholesterol. Of course, you will see even better results if you exercise regularly in addition to using the remedies we have given you. Exercise improves circulation, accelerates your metabolism, and helps to eliminate the toxins in your body by sweating them out. If we combine the previously mentioned home remedies with healthy food choices and exercise, lowering your cholesterol will be a simple task.